Our last tune is a fun one. It's called Diggi Ya Rababa, but before we play that, I wanted to just say a couple of words. I wanted to thank the World Music Institute and the Metropolitan Museum of Art for having us here tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gabby. Thank you, everyone who made this possible. Thank you to the sound engineer, Ryan. Thank you to all the people who've been working backstage and on stage to make this happen. We really appreciate it all. And thank you all for coming. You know, very often, as an Arab Muslim woman, I feel underrepresented and misrepresented, especially by the media. And you know, if anything you can take away from this night is that we are strong, we're independent, and we're resilient. So I hope you can take that away tonight. It's an honor to be here. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and we'll be here afterwards to say hi and hug anyone who wants to hug. But again, thank you so much, and thank you to my wonderful bandmates, Andreas Arnold, Kane Mathis, Moto Fukushima, and two-time Grammy Award winner, Marcelo Woloski. I'm so proud of him, I just had to throw that out there. All right, this is Diggi Ya Rababa. Thank you so much.
Thank you.